Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is again trying to prepare yourself for the upcoming winter months. And this home tip hits home hard for me and Natalie. And what it is to drain your hose bibs, your outside hose bibs, as well as remove any of the hoses that are attached to it. So if your hose bibs, as you know, for outside, those are all the bibs that, you don't know what a hose bib is, you look behind me in this picture, but it's basically your outside water faucet. And you're gonna want to turn off the water from the inside, or some of the newer faucets actually have something you turn off from outside. But either way, what you're gonna wanna do is turn off the water source to that hose bib and drain the water. And if it does have a hose connected to it, you're gonna wanna unscrew it. The reason why is if you leave that water on, and if you leave that hose bib, if you leave that hose attached to the hose bib, even if the water is on, water could creep back in to that hose bib, and when the water freezes, it expands and it can burst your pipes. Natalie and I know this first-hand experience. This happened when we purchased our home back in 2011. The previous owners did not turn off the faucet and they left the hose attached to the hose bib. And to our surprise, when everything melted, we tried to put on the water in the spring, we flooded our basement. So we had no idea that this hose was attached to the hose bib, and it caused a bunch of issues right off the bat after we bought our brand new home. So go outside today, take a look around the property, remove all those hoses from the hose bibs, drain that water, and make sure you are safe for the upcoming cold weather. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.